friends, welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video we will discuss about top 7 trading apps. So let me discuss this topic. So if you don't know knowledge about how to create a trading account, so click on this I button and watch that entire video. So number 1 is Zerodha. Zerodha is the best for all trading solution applications, and people can hashtag investments from this kind of advanced analysis for very in simple ways, and you can make for their suburbs and option for the both as well beginner for and as well as professional traders also they can use for the Zerodha. So there are certain key features for the Zerodha. Zerodha is the best for buying and selling of any kind of stocks. Number second, my large number of potentials and local international stocks are listed over here. So number third is simplistic and for their interface. So number fourth point is it is all for one trading applications. So there are certain pros and cons also. You can see a pros is the best for numerous languages are supported. The number second my point is pros, they can trading is done with the along with the internet connections. So and it is even for the weak internet connection. You can start the trading for even in any kind of connection is yet weak. Then there are cons is that the mutual funds option are not available in this Zerodha. So there are certain charges for that Zerodha. Zerodha take the certain charges at the 20 rupees per transactions or per order in intraday. So no brokerage charging across any kind of investments. So number second is that Angel One. Angel One is a most of the trading applications here to start for a simple trading and easy to use. So which can get the great opinions and for any kind of beginners. If it has to get any mini advanced and trade analysis, you can also get tools and helping for this and for the mistakes for become any kind of traders. And there are certain key features also for that. So number one, quick selling and quick buying and selling option are there. Then number second is amazing interface. Then number third is that mutual funds and investment options are also available in Angel One. So there are certain pros and cons, low investments and charges. Number second is that options traders are also available to upcoming IPOs. Or then there are certain cons also. The cons provide the support and e-wallet does not have any kind of copy and trading features. Then there are certain charges also over here. The charges is that behind for the any kind of users are very helpful for that. Charges is just like a 20 rupees for per across for the commodity forex and as well as for the any kind of future options also. So number third is Upstocks. Upstock is the best and biggest trading applications and in India, across the India also, owned by Upstocks. Upstock is a popular known for its and for their investings and feature for use and local markets, use and local and international markets, and as a stock portfolio. Features. What kind of features should get required in these Upstocks? So number one, allow the instant investings. Number second is comes with PFC features. Number third is you can define your any kind of price alert for instant and updates. Then what are the pros are required? Pros is allowed to set the limit and after limits for the orders. The number second is that you very simple and user interface. What are the cons are get required? Cons are getting you can't invest in IPOs and FPOs using this kind of applications. So there are charges are required in this kind of what are the charges are required for upping Upstock? The 20 rupees for charge equity and delivery for that any for intraday tradings, and you can get the currency features option also. Then number fourth is that Grow app. Grow app is the best applications for and best beginner friendly applications in this in the application in India. So it allows to open their Demat account and as well as for the analyzing for tools and for the heavy very helpful from them. Any person or any beginner as well as professional, they can use the Grow app. The Grow app allows a certain kind of features also. So number one, you can open the Grow in Demat account also. Number second, no commission get required to that applications. Number third, it is very simple and user interface. Number fourth is that low charges and investments. So what are the pros are required for that? If you can also place the orders and you can also get in per clicks, single clicks. So number second, no charges, no hidden charges, and for you open any kind of account and to maintain it for that. So what are the cons are required? The charges for all and for the any per order to high. It does not have any kind of support to NRI account. So what are charges are get required for that Demat account? You can get the charges for minimum charges is 20 rupees or 0.05%, 20% to 0.05%. So it has to get for whichever is low, and it has to get the charge and equity for the intraday as well as for the derivative market also. So number fifth point is a 5 paisa. 5 paisa is an application for popular trading in application basis. So in India, it allows you to cover for three exchanges like BSE, NSE and MCX. So which make the super options. So there are certain key features for that also. You can give the certain key features. You can also start auto investing for that. You can also invest in minimum mutual funds. And number third, regular for amazing offers to the your customer also. They are the best for in 5 paisa app. So what are pros are required? Pros are required for time alert for any kind of selling your stocks. So number second is that no commission get required for this kind of applications and fund investment. And number what are the cons are required? Do not have commodity market for the trading options. And number second, what is that? What are the hidden charges? The charges is only 20 rupees for per intraday also. So it is best for trading applications in this kind of way. Number six is the ICICI Direct application. ICICI Direct is the biggest trading platforms in India. ICICI Direct is the best way for that to get the trading and as well as investment application. More than 50 lakhs of customers are use the ICICI Direct applications. So it is among account that platforms and as well as for you can also get good amount of ICICI Direct. Then what are the key features for that? The key features are required for any kind of analytical tools and logical tools. They are also required. They also give you any kind of a any kind of beginner. They can also join the ICICI Direct and they can also give the certain kind of stock trading also. Number third, my point is that they give a certain kind of offers to the commodity markets and as well as future and stock option also. Number fourth is that they are speedy order and placements to get the swipe and as well as for their any kind of stocks. So what are pros are required? Just a swipe to sell your stocks and for their as per their orders. The number second is pay later and marginal way and for their trading options. Number number seventh is Alice Blue application. Alice Blue is the best for any kind of a application and low investment trading application. So when and it is a this application is a best for intraday tradings. Yeah, it has a hidden. There is no much charges for that. The not much it and it has no hidden charges and it is the best way to get the trading application and best way for that. There are certain key features for that also. Number one key features is that it is a special for the intraday trading application. Number second is that many like analytical tools you get required for in Alice Blue. Number third, you can also get it can offer for a in trading application. You will get a certain kind of offers to that particular trading applications. What are the pros are required to that? Just a 15 rupees you can start your intraday trading. Number second point is pros are there, simple and easy to use for this kind of intraday this kind of applications. Then what are the cons are required for that? it is not much popular for application. This application is not much popular for any kind of intraday. So this is the way you can, these are the top seven ways you can start a trading applications. And you can also open any kind of demat account, or any kind of start your own trading account from this kind of application. So start investing today and earn certain amount of income from your daily basis. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.